Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from the or through the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen Relay. So from any screen on your phone into your music, there's a tune there. If you notice, red triangle at the bottom, 3 red circles, it says my car. That's the Citroen Relay audio system. There's a tick by it. If there isn't for any reason, just tick it. I'll just turn this down for a second and then we go to media. Now, depending on how many devices you've got connected, whether you've got USB in or auxiliary in, you may have to click the media 2 or 3 times or go to source here. If you click on source there, you probably have a choice there, but we want the Bluetooth and that's it playing. I'll turn this up and then there you go. That's All Saints playing through the system. So anything that plays on your through your iTunes will play through the system. That's it. Very, very good and easy system to use.